This is bones from some chicken breast. That's what everybody likes here. So with the bones, you know how you get that chicken breast and you have the ribs attached to it? Those are the pieces of the ribs. So what I did, I seasoned this, salt, pepper, and garlic. That's it, okay? And put it in here, okay, with no oil, no nothing, just like that, you know, to brown it, because I'm going to make a little soup. So how do I make a little soup? This is how I make it. That's already done already. I'm going to put a whole bowl of water in there. See that? It's already brown. I'm going to put a little bit of my veggie pasta, which is spinach and zucchini. So I took like 20 noodles and I cut it in 3 things. You see? I cut it short. Okay? Went pop, pop, pop 3 times. So I'm going to make a soup. I'm going to put it in there like that. Okay? These are potatoes that I'm going to be putting in there, but I'm going to wait a little bit before I put them in because they're like, you know. And this is my soup. You'll see it when it's done. Thanks for watching. Love you all. I added my potatoes, a little bit of cilantro.
That's right.
These are my chicken. You see, they look like bones.
Rib
because
meat.
these are the ribs are attached to the chicken breast. When it comes like that, I buy them like that because it's cheaper. And I clean it myself and I separate it. So I put the potatoes, my veggie pasta, right, Michael?
That's right.
And when it's done, we'll be back. When it's done, I'm going to cover it now. Hold on a second, Michael. Don't go away. Let me put a lid on it.
That's right.
Oh, that's not it. Is it one bigger than that, Michael?
It's one bigger.
That one. Okay. So we'll be right back. So this is my bone soup. That's what I call it, with my veggie pasta. And some potatoes. I'm going to put a little bit in a thing. I'm going to eat it. And if you guys want to make a soup like this, just go ahead and do it. All you got to do, a lot of people just, they put actually the bones or the chicken, they usually put it in the with a couple of cups of water, and then they put the you know, the seasonings and stuff. I don't like doing that. See? Oh, look at that. I was looking forward to this so bad. But I'm only going to eat a little bit, just like that. Because I don't like eating a lot, so I don't get sick. So guys, here's my sopa. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys, if you guys make it, enjoy just like me. Hold on, Michael. Let me get a spoon. And okay, you wanna show Mama? You wanna show Mama eating this a little bit, Mike? You can go over there. I love soup, guys. You don't even know how much. And the fact that, you know, I can eat like I can eat pasta, like white pasta, right, Mike? It has to be, what do you call that pasta, Mike?
The vegetable pasta?
No, the pasta that has to be like the clear, the flour.
Yep, white flour pasta.
Not only white, but it has to be refined.
Refined flour pasta,
exactly.
yes. Non-bleached.
I eat my veggie pasta because it's better. Here we go. You know what this reminds me of? My dad. Because my dad was always one that loved soup. And when I go like see him, and when we're around him, we always end up making a sopa, which is soup in English. See these bones? I like sucking on them like that. Look. Debbie, you're not getting none. When you suck on little like rib bones like this, chicken rib bones, you gotta be careful because one of these can go stab you in your throat. But not only that, I love it. You don't understand. So this is why I like the soup, because I like my dark meat. You see, when I make soup and stuff like that, or when I make chicken, I like the dark meat. I really don't like the white meat that much. Michael, and my husband and my other son, and James, and Junior, oh, you don't even want to know. But this is delicious. Thanks for watching. If you want the recipe, just like go down below on the link, and it'll tell you exactly how to make it. It's very easy. You can make this like in 15-20 minutes tops. That's it. So with that guy, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to continue enjoying my sopa. I don't want to make you guys jealous, but it's Friday, September 20th, I think it is, right?
That's right.
And after I'm done with this, I'm gonna go rent me some movies to watch some movies tonight and a couple of snacks. So that's gonna be my night for tonight. And I see you guys tomorrow, another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us everywhere you see us. Thanks for watching.